Vast plantations provide the vital raw material for our advanced rubber products. Skilled hands delicately tap rubber trees, initiating the flow of precious latex. From nature's bounty, liquid gold begins its journey. Giant tanker trucks arrive, initiating the journey of raw latex into advanced manufacturing. Advanced sensors confirm readiness, and the raw latex begins its automated flow into the processing network. The raw material is efficiently channeled through a network of advanced pipes, moving swiftly towards initial processing stages. Colossal pipes transport freshly harvested latex to towering holding vats for refinement. Within these immense vats, the precious liquid is meticulously stored and prepared. Controlled and precise, the latex is introduced into the vats, maintaining optimal quality. Giant centrifuges begin the purification, meticulously separating water and impurities from the raw latex. These colossal machines operate with precision, ensuring only the purest rubber latex proceeds to the next phase. Advanced sensor arrays continuously monitor the latex, guaranteeing impeccable quality control. Operators oversee the automated purification, ensuring seamless and efficient processing. From raw sap to pure product precision, engineering drives every stage of transformation. In the compounding hall, purified latex enters monumental blending tanks for transformation. Enormous mixers activate, beginning the thorough blending process. Robotic precision adds zinc oxide and soaps, essential for rubber's properties. The continuous churning ensures a homogeneous mixture, vital for quality. From raw latex to a refined blend, the process is a marvel of engineering. The meticulously compounded latex now stands ready for the next phase of rubber product creation. Liquid latex flows into the colossal frothing machine, beginning its transformation. Inside, giant mechanical beaters begin to whip the latex into a dense, creamy foam. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. The internal chamber reveals the intense, continuous frothing action, creating uniform foam. A continuous stream of dense, creamy foam emerges, perfectly prepared for the next stage. Automated precision guides various molds into the next stage of rubber production. Giant robotic arms positioned with formidable accuracy ready for the filling process. Watch as the raw material is expertly dispensed into each waiting mold. Gridded mat molds are meticulously filled, ensuring uniform product quality. Automated sensors perform immediate quality checks on each filled product. Filled molds continue their journey, entering specialized chambers for further processing. Gigantic molds begin their journey into the vulcanization oven, a critical transformation phase. Massive steel doors seal shut, initiating the precise high-heat curing stage. Deep within the oven, precise temperatures transform the raw rubber into durable products. Intense heat permeates, ensuring the rubber's molecular structure is perfected. The cured products approach the exit, ready for the next manufacturing phase. Finished rubber mattresses, pillows, and mats emerge ready for final inspection. Automated precision begins as heated molds emerge from colossal ovens, initiating the demolding sequence. Robotic arms equipped with specialized grippers swiftly maneuver to engage the superheated molds. With an impressive display of engineering, the hot molds open, revealing the perfectly formed steaming rubber cores within. With utmost care, robotic grippers delicately extract the steaming rubber cores ready for the next stage. The freshly manufactured rubber cores now travel along the conveyor, progressing to the next processing stage. Colossal gantry cranes begin the precise dance of transporting freshly molded rubber mattress cores. With silent power, the core is lifted, a symphony of automation in motion. The core nears the washing station, a crucial step in its transformation. Securely nestled, the washing process now begins purifying the core. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. High-pressure water jets meticulously cleanse the newly formed rubber cores. Hundreds of precisely aimed nozzles ensure every part of the rubber core is thoroughly rinsed. Residual soaps and proteins are systematically removed, ensuring product purity. Through thick glass, witness the incredible power and scale of the industrial wash. Robotic precision handles each core, ensuring uniform and immaculate cleaning. Each immaculately clean core exits the chamber, ready for the next transformation stage. Washed rubber cores embark on their journey into the vast automated drying hall. The drying hall is a spectacle of modern engineering, with colossal units tirelessly processing cores. Autonomous vehicles navigate the immense hall, orchestrating the continuous flow of production. From above, the drying hall appears as a perfectly choreographed symphony of technology and design. Cutting-edge sensors diligently monitor every variable, guaranteeing ideal conditions for perfect drying. A skilled technician monitors the intricate drying process from a high-tech console, ensuring quality. Converging streams of dried cores signify the immense output and logistical mastery. The gleaming surfaces of the advanced machinery reflect the sterile, brilliant light, a symbol of high-tech manufacturing. Automated lasers precisely trim excess rubber, ensuring every mattress core meets exact specifications. The finished mattress cores boast perfectly smooth edges, testament to surgical precision. With precise cuts complete, the immaculate mattress cores advance to the next stage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Precision robotics ensure every core is perfectly covered, upholding the highest standards of quality. Automated systems seamlessly encapsulate the resilient rubber cores in their protective fabric covers. From raw latex to finished product, every step is optimized for unparalleled quality and comfort. Advanced sensor technology ensures flawless alignment and a perfect fit for every single cover. Each pillow core crafted from pure rubber latex receives a tailored, durable covering. The automated upholstery station operates with flawless precision, transforming raw materials into premium comfort. Advanced robotics precisely position the rubber mattress for its transformative compression. Under precise hydraulic force, the voluminous mattress is transformed into a compact, flat form. The mattress is now hermetically sealed, protecting its integrity and ensuring hygienic delivery. Intelligent automation initiates the rolling, transforming the flat mattress into a compact cylinder. The final product is tightly secured, a testament to efficiency and innovative design. Precision robotics ensure each mattress is perfectly packed for its journey. Advanced systems handle multiple product types with seamless efficiency. From raw latex to finished goods, every step is optimized for quality. Each package receives precise labeling, ready for distribution worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Precision robotics handle and organize the finished products with unparalleled efficiency, ensuring flawless dispatch. From raw latex to finished goods, our automated hub ensures rapid dispatch.